Jagoro mongirore migaono ero mar ICT e pacho kaendi Migosi Jerome Ochieng koro kwayo rowere mondo oti kod lony manyasani e chuogo tijegi giwuon koloso e bomano ero ma Kisumu. Migosi Ochieng owacho ni piny Kenya osechopo e okang' ma bende onego bi kod lony mare owuon mar tayo chenro duto ma itimo e pacho kaendi. Owacho ni rowere koro bed jogo eko ma bende nyalo biro kod paro mag dongruoge ahinya ka gitiyo kod lony manyasani mondo chiwnegi thuolo piem e piny ngima e weche eko mag lony manyasani kanyakla kod chuogo tije ma opogore.
As we all know, the challenges that the world faces today are constantly evolving, and we actually do not know what we'll be facing in the future. The more reason why we need to focus on more innovation, because we continue to encounter and face new challenges. This kind of infrastructure, that is the hubs we have, provide an environment whereby tech communities, entrepreneurs, startups, and creative minds can explore their talents and skills in coming up with solutions, while also providing platform for innovators for the purposes of making their ability to access infrastructures easy. The Ministry of ICT, Innovation and Youth Affairs, in collaboration with the National Government Constituency Development Fund, has so far rolled out 200 constituency innovation hubs across the country. The purposes of this rollout is to ensure that we have people accessing ICT infrastructure, which normally sometimes is not accessible, whereby within the hubs we provide the computers together with connectivity to the internet, and the young people can now take that advantage of using this infrastructure for their creative minds and actually even able to work online. Let me also say that one of the reasons why we made this particular visit is to try and see how the government can also partner with the private sector in terms of helping the innovation ecosystem grow.